Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see a review about Fampay. Fampay is India's first neobank for teenagers, enabling them to make online and offline payments without needing a traditional bank account, backed by major investors like Sequoia Capital and Y Combinator. Fampay aims to teach financial responsibility to Gen Z users through secure prepaid cards, UPI, and gamified experiences. It has numberless design for added security, accepted at any merchant that supports RuPay or Visa, and can be used for online and offline purchases. Teens can send or receive money using UPI without linking a traditional bank account, and parents can fund wallets via Fampay. Also, parents can monitor spending, set limits, and receive transaction alerts, and funds are loaded into a prepaid wallet, limiting financial risk. You can earn Fam coins through transactions, which can be redeemed for rewards and challenges and leaderboards to encourage smart spending habits. It has a clean and intuitive interface and features like instant card freeze, transaction history, and goal setting. While Fampay has innovative features, it's not without flaws. Users frequently report bugs and UPI failures, especially during peak hours. Also, delays in resolving complaints, particularly around fund recovery or car issues. Also, low Trustpilot and BIST consumer rating 2.5 on 5 average, not suitable for high-value transactions, and limited support for third-party wallets or financial tools. So, Fampay is a smart digital banking tool for teens, offering them freedom to spend and learn money management without opening a bank account. It shines in its simplicity, security, and gamified approach to finance. However, unreliable app performance and weak support may frustrate users during emergencies or when large sums are involved. So it's best for teens who want controlled spending and digital payment with fun reward, and not ideal for urgent UPI use, long-term savings, or critical financial operations. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.